Yo, what's up? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here over at 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, well, you guys are looking at a product that is made by COMHOMA. We have right here the manual 360 swivel textile sofa recliner. Now, one of the reasons why I wanted to jump out in front of y'all today and talk about this particular product is because we're approaching that time of the year when you're trying to find or decide what to get your dad. Now, this is perfect for any kind of office space. As you can see, we're in my studio here. And not only that, but this is also great for a home. This is great for your parent. This is great for a living room. I cannot stress the convenience of having this particular product. So, a little bit about myself. I'm 6'5". I weigh 250 pounds. And this particular recliner sofa, this is compact enough where I can have inside my studio and still be able to save space, but yet giving me the convenience and the comforts of fitting somebody of my size in something that is compact where I can rotate, swivel all around the room, and also be able to lounge, recline out, lay back. This thing is incredibly comfortable. It is sturdy. The padding is firm, but yet soft. The material that is used here, this is a soft, but yet smooth textile material. So I cannot stress enough the quality of this and the comfort and the convenience of saving space. I'm going to bring you in for a closer look. Check this out, guys. So looking at the side view here of this particular recliner is that it has a built-in glider 360 rotating base. So just so you guys can kind of take a look here. It also has a nice full solid back piece specifically for providing extra comfort and support. It is incredibly sturdy. It is solid. This is just kind of give you the full 360 degree view here. Spin it around one more time. And as far as for the bottom goes, as we can see, just in case if you need to clean out any debris or material, let's just say if your remote happened to fall down through the back pocket, it'll be able to easily retrieve and recover it. So, because for those of us that spend some time sitting in a chair, we tend to lose things down the side, which the nice thing about this, we could spin this around real conveniently and easily. And again, as I was mentioning, this is the manual recliner, which is just as simple as holding onto this handle right here, pulling back that lever, and back we go. What's also nice is that to get this thing to go back further, you just lean back with it and we can adjust it as needed. So again, highly recommend and encourage it because not only is it comfortable for somebody of my size, this is going to be comfortable for a lot of different sizes. I cannot stress enough, especially if you're looking to provide something that's comfortable and space saving. Check this out because this is an awesome product for any type of home, especially for that when you're trying to get that perfect surprise gift around Father's Day. He's not going to be happier because something like this to put inside an office or the man's room or the den, sports mobilia area, however the case scenarios may be, this thing is absolutely awesome. You guys got to check it out for yourself. You're going to be very happy that you did. I thank you all for watching. Dan here over at 2D2 Productions.